Wait, I'll start. So logarithm for class 9. ICSC. Selena. How many questions we had done? 8A. How many questions you have done, Hania?
So we didn't do.
8A we have done.
Yeah,
No?
we did. We did two.
Two
Right.
questions.
The fifth one is the last one, I guess.
Third one you have done. Third one.
No, I guess you gave us one which that we converted normal expansions to logarithms, and the second was from logarithm.
See this question you do all of you. Log x10. Log x to the base 10. Hey.
So done.
Done. What is the answer? 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to x.
1/100.
All of you got, children? All of you got?
Sir, we are doing 10, sir.
What you are doing?
10, sir, or 9?
10th we are doing. 10th sum.
Sir? Oh.
We have done 10th question.
No, sir, no, sir.
Yeah, we have done. Fourth question we have done. Fourth question also we have done. Wait. Come down.
Sir, can you explain logarithm, sir?
Starting.
Means like a summary.
Yeah, I'll explain. First, we let us do the question first. After the question, you can understand automatically half of it. See, this question we have done last time also. I challenge, just see this one, whether you can do it or not. Hundred to the base 10. What is the value of, find the logarithm of 100 to the base 10? What is the answer for this, Hania?
2.
So 10 to the power x is equal to 100. So 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 2. So x is equal to what? Okay, tell me last one, fifth answer. Then we move to the next question. You have done, no, that's why it's easy for you. But what other children will, you know?
Sir, this chapter, like seeing the examples only, you'll get it off. I did this whole chapter like that too. Though I was sitting in the class, but I was doing some other sum, she was doing some other sum.
So this chapter is full confusion to me, sir.
Because you have not read anything concept. No, that's it.
Sir, like I don't understand where to put these things. Like where should I put 2? Where should I put 0.125? All this I'm not getting.
It's given here. No, find the log, means log of.
Yes, sir. Log to the base 2 x is equals to 0.125.
See log here, log 0.125 to the base 2 is equals to, you should find what will happen, the x you let. That only, Satvik, okay?
Okay.
So what you can write here then?
Sir, you can change 0.125 into 125 by 1000.
2 to the power x is equal to 0.125. So 2 to the power x is equals to 125 by 1000. So it will go by how much table? It will go by 4 the 8 will go, right? So 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power, what will happen? Tell me.
Minus 3.
So x is equal to minus 3. Got it, Satvik?
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Charan.
So
Sai Charan.
Sir, can you explain again?
See, they're asking that log of log of 0.125 to the base 2. What is the value of it? Log 0.125 to the base 2. Is clear what I'm saying, Sai Charan? Log 0.125 to the base 2. So what we have to do here? See, 0.2 is there, no? 0.125. So this will come to the right hand side of it. And this left hand side will be 2 to the power x. Is it clear, Sai Charan, or not?
Sir means how, sir? Means 0.125 equals to x, sir. Then if the base is 2 means power will be x, sir.
See what I'm saying, that it's a just inverse part of exponents. Okay, if you are writing log 10,000 to the base 10 is equals to, what is the answer? 3 answer will come. How? 10 to the power 3 you should do, no? Then only you will get 1000. So this way, this pattern you try to understand, Sai Charan. This is only the pattern. Log 1000 and base 10 is equals to 3. So we can write it as 10 to the power 3 is equals to what? 1000. So how to write from here to here and from here to here? Try to understand, then you'll understand everything.
Yes, sir. But how if the base is more than the question? Like
How big?
the 0.125 to the base 2.
Actually, mainly, generally, this 2 is there, no? 2 to the power x if you do. This is drawing awkward. 2 to the power x if you do here, no? This 2 to the power x should be equal to this much. So what is the x value? They're asking over here that what is the value of x, so that if you 2 to the power x if you put, you will get what? 0.125. What you'll put?
Sir, I did not understand, sir. Sir, I understood that log 1000 to the base 10, sir, but not this 0.
Actually, you are saying that the base should not be less than this
No,
part,
sir,
right?
not like that, sir. Means I did not understood this question, sir. First one.
Acha, acha. 1 minute. 1000 part you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same question I just made the 1000 part only here. Like log of 1000 to the base 10. How to find? Do you know this one? Now you tell me. Sai Charan.
Log of 1000, sir. Log of 1000 to the base 10 is 3, sir.
Is equals to x. We are finding x. How x is coming 3? Tell me now, Sai Charan. How x is coming 3 over here?
Sir, as
So only what you need to do is this base we are seeing, no, here this one x.
yes, sir.
This base to the power, what answer you are getting x. That should be equal to this 1000. Then you'll get the value of x. Understood now or not?
Sir means how, sir?
Wait. See here, 10 to the power x is equals to 1000. Understood what I wrote this much?
Yes, sir.
So 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 3. So x is equal to what you're getting? 3 over here. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we are doing for 0.125 also here. Similarly, we are doing for 102 points, means log of 0.125 to the base 2 is equals to what? Let x. Now you can find x value from here.
Yes, sir.
So 2 to the
2
power x is equal to 0.125. Find the value of x now. You'll get x is equal to what? -3. Is it clear now, Sai Charan?
Sir, means how we are getting -3, sir? Means the
I
process,
said,
sir.
Acha,
2x.
process right now only taught you. I don't know. 1 minute.
Sir, means not like this, sir. This
Sir, I had
is,
a Wi-Fi issue. Could you repeat what you were teaching?
sir.
Yeah.
See, once again, I'm telling you, yeah, 1 minute. See, Sai Charan here again. 2 to the power x is equals to, if you write here 0.125, can you write here divide by 1000? If you remove this point from here,
Yes, sir.
then you can cancel 25, 8 is 1000.
Yes, sir.
Then 2 to the power x is equal to, you can write 1 by 2 to the power 3.
Okay, sir.
Then 2 to the power x, you can write 2 to the power -3. Then x is equal to what? -3. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Sai
Yes, sir.
Charan?
Understood, sir.
Huh?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay, fine. The next question we'll go through it. 1 by 81. Log 1 by 81 to the base 27. Find. Log 1 by
Yes, sir.
81 to the base 27.
Sir, where is it, sir?
So the question.
I'm
It
writing
is
here.
sure.
I'm writing here log 1 minute. Log of 1 by 81 to the base 27. Do this question. Satvik, Sai Charan, Sai Ritvik. All of you on the camera now. I will remove from the meeting.
Yes,
Children,
sir.
every day same thing happening. Satvik, I should tell every day to you to on the camera. Sai Charan, still you are in neighbor
1
house,
minute.
means your this one house only. Your
Sir,
parents.
no, sir.
Parents. Then
Sir, I'm on. 1 minute.
Sir, is the answer -4/3?
okay, let me check. Let's write in the chat box. Let me check others answer also. Find children here 1 by 81 to the base 27. What is the answer for this? Log 1 by 81 to the base 27. What is the answer for this?
Sir, is it -3, sir?
-3. You have mentioned in the chat box. -3.
Oh, no, sir.
Scientific you also got -4/3 only. Scientific. You also got -4/3 only. Scientific.
Yes, sir, I've gotten that only.
Okay, I'm just solving right now. Log 1 by 81 to the base 27 is equals to x. So we can write it as 27 to the power x is equals to 1 by 81, right? Or we can write 3 to the power 3x is equals to 1 by 3 to the power, what you can write? 4. Or we can write 3 to the power 3x is equals to 3 to the power -4. So x is equals to what we'll get? -4/3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Like this we have to do. So answer
Yes,
is
sir.
-4/3. How you got the 3 and all, Sai Charan?
Sir, don't know, sir. I did not got.
You did not got only. Simply you just tell the
No,
answer.
sir.
Right?
Means not, I did, sir, but I got like 3 to the power minus 27 equals to 27 to the power x.
Acha, okay. Now next question is you have to find the value of x. Log part is given to you. You have to find the value of x. Next question is
Sir, first bit answer is 1.
First answer is
Yes,
1.
sir. 1.
Sir, second one is 1/2.
By seeing all you can say, right? The same formula we have to apply here, right?
This one is easy, sir.
Easy. Last time you are not getting only.
So last time I didn't know where to put those things, sir. So
Okay, 3 to the power 0 is equals to what? X, like this.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So
So-
what is the meaning of that log 3 log x?
Not log 3, log x to the base 3 is equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
So we are just converting this one into the exponential and exponential to log. You can convert. That is the other way to write. Okay.
Yes.
So what will get the answer for this? X is equals to 1. Sai Charan, Satvik. Now next question, what is the answer you told, Hania?
1/2.
X to the
Sir,
power.
I'm still not getting how to find.
How to find what?
Sir, means like I got that how to do like that base. Means I'm not getting how to find that x value.
Okay, tell me here in this step, second question I'm doing right now, correct?
Yes.
So tell me where you are having doubt.
Sir,
Which
means x to the power, no sir. Base of 2 base of x is here 2, sir, equals to -1, sir. So means finding the x I am having problems.
Don't think anything over here. Okay, see, only one you try to understand here log. Here is 2, here is x is equal to -1 is there. The relation is x to the power -1 is equals to 2. Remember this much only. Okay, cross multiply you do like this. X to the power -1 is equals to what? 2. Understood, Sai Charan?
Yes, sir.
And this
Sir,
one,
means we need to use cross multiplication method, sir.
not cross multiply, base is there. No, log here, what base you are getting, that you multiply with what is the answer? Okay.
Base with the right hand side.
What?
Base with the RHS, sir.
Yeah. Multiply this base with RHS. Yes.
Okay, sir.
And then this 2 will come. The answer will come 2. Okay. And then if you want to write this form into some other thing, suppose x to the power 1, suppose you want to convert it to log form, then how to write? This one is nothing but log 2 to the base x is equals to what? -1.
Yes, sir.
Understood? That's it.
Sir, next one answer is 5/3.
Next one answer is 5/3. Now see, Sai Charan, solve fast now. So many concepts we have learned. Every time we are learning the same concept from last class. Do this question number, the third one now. 9 to the power x is equals to 243. It's clear to everyone how to write this.
Yes, sir.
So 3 to the power 3x is equal to 3 to the power 5. Or we can write 3x is equals to what? 5. Or we can write x is equals to 5/3. Right?
Yes, sir.
It's going in flow, this method. This pen is going so flow today. This looks nice, very small.
Sir,
Ah.
3 to the power 5 is 243, sir.
Yeah, do that. That only will go there now. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now next question. If you do now fast, you are not understanding this task. I think it's clear. Sai Ritvik, can you hear me? Sai Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me only, Sai Ritvik, what is the answer for question number 4? Tell me, Sai Ritvik.
Sir, 5.
5.
Sir, 5 power 1
Okay.
equals to
Huh.
x minus 7.
What is the value of x?
Sir, x equals to 2. 12, sir.
12, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next. Log 32 to the base 4 is equals to x minus 4.
Sir, this equals to 13 by 2.
13 by 2 you're getting for this.
Yeah.
So your 4 to the power, you have done 4 to the power only.
Sir, I simplified 4 into 2.
Sir, I'm getting 12, sir.
Like this only, no? Ania, you have done, or some different way.
Yeah, I did this and then I simplified 4 into 2. So
Achha.
2x minus 8.
So 2 to the power 2, and you have to multiply with x minus 4, like this only, right?
Yes, sir. Equals to 2 power 5. Yeah.
So 2 to the power 2x minus 8 is equals to 2 to the power 5, or x is equals to what you can write? 13 by 2. If you solve, you will get 13 by 2. All of you are getting the same answer. Just match once.
So how did you get 2 for the power of 2x minus 8?
See, 4 you can write it as 4 to the power x minus 4 is there, no? So I have converted
Okay, sir, I got it.
4 as 2 to the power 2. Now 2 is going
Yes,
to
sir, got it.
multiply with both, yes. Next question you tell me now, sixth one, log 7 to the power 2 is equals to what you can write? 2x square minus 1. Then you can write it as 2x square minus 1 minus 49 is equals to 0. What is the value of x?
X equals to 2.
5, I think. 5, no?
X equals to 2. Wait, I'll do it again. Yes, sir, 5.
Hmm. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next question number you should do. See this question number 7.
So first one is minus 2.
Okay, fine. First one is minus 2. Next, Sai Ritvik, Satvik, you should tell me now in the chat box, right? Second one you tell. Sai Charan, you tell third one. Sai Ritvik, you tell fifth one. Okay. Keep on saying the answers for this.
Sir, 5 done.
So is equals to X. What is the answer here? Sai Charan for first one?
Sir, for first one, sir.
X is equal to 2, you are getting right. Anya?
Sir, I'm doing third one, sir. I did it.
Sir, the first one is -2.
-2, yes. First one is -2. Anyone who is not getting
Third one I
minus,
got.
huh? So this log 1/8, this looks like, I know, is equal to X, will it? It mean to say log 1/8 to the base 2 is equals to what? X. So we can write it as 2 to the power X is equals to 1/8. So 2 to the power X is equals to 2 to the power -3. So X is equals to -3. Okay. Now here see, 5 to the power X is equals to 1. So what is the answer here? Tell me, children, what is the value of X? Tell me. Satvik,
0.
Sir, 0, sir.
how become 0?
Sir, because any number to the power of 0 is equals to 1.
So 5 to the power 0 we can write. So X is equals to what? 0. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Log 125 is equals to X, you write. Then what we can write here? X is equal to 3. Next, log 16 is 8 is equal to 8. So what we can write for this?
So which one?
One. Sai Ritvik, I
Sir,
should
I
tell
got
again and
6 to 1,
again.
sir.
Sai Ritvik.
So the last one is
Sir, I got 6 to 1 minus.
Sixth one, what you are getting?
Minus.
-4.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I'm not getting 6 to 1.
See what we can write here. 0.5, what you can write? Tell me. Satvik. 5/10 you can write to the power X
Yes, sir.
is equals to 16. Again, what you can write? This will cancel 1, 2. So 2 to the power what? -1, -X you can write.
Yes, sir.
See 1/2 to the power whole X. We can write it as 2 to the power -X. Can we write like ulta?
Yes.
And 2 to the power what you can write? 4. X is equal to what we can get? X is equal to -4.
Okay, sir.
Sai Charan, you told you will on the camera. What is happening to you? What happened? Sai Charan, can you hear me? Next question, question number 8. This is expression. How to express. If log m is equals to n, log m is equals to n log, then express a to the power n minus 1 in terms of a and m. Someone has answered already. You can't hear me, Sai Charan? No. I cannot hear you, Sai Charan. What you are saying, I'm not able to hear. You are saying or not, that also doubt. Say me, what is the answer for this? Try, children, try fast.
So the one I sent chat box, correct?
What, Hania?
The one I checked, sent you in the chat box, is it?
1 minute.
So you're on mute.
Yeah, let me check the answer for this. Log A, you should write what they're asking the question. It's given that log is this one n. Express 8 into power n minus 1. So a to the power n minus 1 in terms of a and m. Acha. So here you are having a textbook, Hania, no?
Yeah.
Okay, you can check the answer whether it's correct or not. A to the power n is equals to m. So here what we have to do? We have to write a to the power n minus 1, correct? So how will get a to the power n minus 1? Children, tell me. If we can do like, a to the power n divided by a, if we do, then it'll come or not, a to the power n minus 1. That understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So we can write it as, why we are doing divide by a? Because a to the power n minus 1 is nothing but a to the power n by a to the power 1. Then only you can write a to the power n minus 1. So a to the power n minus 1 is equals to what you can write? M a to the power minus 1. Like this you can write. What is there, Hania? M by a is coming or m? I think this is the answer only they might have given. This answer, correct?
Just a minute.
Next question, all of you go through it now. Next question.
So I don't have that question only.
You are using Selena book only, right?
No,
Then RS Agarwal.
RS Agarwal.
Emil Agarwal you are using.
Yeah,
Emil Agarwal, RS Agarwal, that one.
RS Agarwal.
Okay.
Just RS Agarwal.
Okay. This is a different book. Actually, this is Selena. I'm doing just Selena here. See question number 9 over here.
Sir, is this NCRT?
NCRT. The NCRT, how logarithm is not there on, you know, Sai Ritvik.
Sir, it's not there in CBSE board.
In CBSE, it's not there only. Okay. Because it's very useful in competitive examination, but competitive examination all is very important, and this IMO, so everything everywhere is coming. Find the value here. Given log 2 log x to the base 2 log y to the base 5 is equal to m and n. So find the value of 2 to the power m minus 3 in terms of x. Or anybody got the answer? Hania, you're getting a log m is equal to, acha, this before only, right? Okay.
Yeah.
This answer you are getting, Hania?
I'm just trying, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand the question, sir.
See, here you have to do, no, express this 2 to the power m minus 3 is given. That whole thing should express in terms of x. This whole thing, what they have given here, this one, okay. They have to express in terms of x, understood? Your hint is given as,
Sir, what x?
see, your hint is given here. See, this two things are the hint for you. Log x to the base 2 is equal to m, and log y to the base 5 is equal to n. These two are the hint. What I'm writing as star mark, okay?
Okay, sir.
And by the help of these two, you have to do that.
Is it? No, I don't think so.
What?
Sir, could you do it?
Yeah. 2 to the power m minus 3 is equals to what we can write? 2 to the power m divided by 2 to the power 3. We write like this, no? We can write like this or not?
Yeah, you can.
Now from, if you see here, from log x to the base 2 is equals to m is given, right? So from this, what we can write? 2 to the power m, can we write as is equals to x or not?
Yeah, we can.
So here we have to find in terms of x only. So this 2 to the power m is nothing but what? X. So x divided by 8. Can we write like this or not?
Yeah.
So that's the only answer. Check the answer. What is the answer for this?
So I don't have that one.
Yeah, this is the only answer what we have to get. Is it clear what we have done? So this was the hint for us. This what is given here. This was just hint for us, and we have to find this value of 2 to the power m minus 3 in terms of x. Now similarly, all of you find now the value of 5 to the power 3n plus 2. Now we can find, I think,
Is it y cube into 25?
Y cube into 25. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, let me check. Let them do also. Sai Ritvik and Satvik, just tell me the answer for this.
Doing it, sir. I didn't understand this question.
First part is over. First part you understood. You now you didn't understand the question. This first part you understood or not?
No, sir.
Then why you are not saying what you are, where you are sleeping or what?
No, sir. I wasn't sleeping. I was trying to figure it out, but then I realized I couldn't.
I'm asking where you understand, where you understand, where you understand or not. We are moved to the next question. Then you are saying you didn't understand. Then last question also didn't understand, right? Listen. Here is given 2 to the power m minus 3. So what we have written as 2 to the power m in numerator and 2 to the power 3 in denominator. Can you write 2 to the power m minus 3 like this?
Yes, sir.
And hint part what is given, this we have converted here. Just check. Log x to the base 2 is equals to m. So we can write 2 to the power m is equals to what? X. Okay.
Okay, so now I'll try to solve it.
Now 2 to the power m, we have written x. That's it. And now from second equation, what you can get from second equation? 5 to the power n is equals to y. Can you get like this?
Yes, sir.
Now we try to open this second part of it. 5 to the power 3n divided by 5 to the power 2.
Sir,
So-
but division will give us minus.
So
right?
it's not division, it's into.
Yes, into 1 minute. I should write here into 5 to the power 2, right? Then 5 to the power 3n can be written as 5 to the power 3. And we can write like n like this. Or better you write is ulta here. N you put inside and 3 outside, okay? N you put inside and 3 outside. Can we write like this? Why we have made like this? Because 5 to the power n value, we know the value of 5 to the power n. So 5 to the power n value is y to the power 3 into 25. Or you can write 25 y to the power 3. Is it clear how to write this or not?
Yes, sir.
Satvik, Sai Charan, Sai Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Now
1
it's clear.
minute,
I
sir.
understood, sir.
Okay. So next question is question number 10. This question you have done means this exercise is clear to you. See question number 10. A similar question, but bit 2 steps are there in this.
m to the power 3a into y to the power 2a.
Wait 1 minute. Tell what you're saying the answer.
One second. Okay, yeah. X to the power 3a into y to the power 2.
X to the power 3a. Y to the power 2b.
2a only, sir.
Okay. So anyone else who is getting the answer? Here 2 to the power a is equals to what? X. From first we got, right? Here 3 to the power a is equals to y. Is it clear, Satvik and Sai Ritvik? It's clear or not?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So 72 to the power a they are asking over here. So for 72, what we can write for 72? You can just prime factor, you can do 2
2
36.
cube into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square.
Okay. So 2 cube into 3 square we can write to the power a. So we can write here 2 to the power a to the power 3 multiply 3 to the power a to the power 2. So 2 to the power a is what? X to the power 3 and y to the power 2. This is the answer, not x to the power 3a and 2a.
Oh,
Acha,
okay.
you got the answer actually. X to the power. Acha. So this will be in terms of x and y they're asking, right?
Yeah.
Anyone having doubt? Satvik and Sai Ritvik?
No doubt, sir.
So third step, what did you do, sir?
You mean to say this step or this step?
Sir, down one.
See, I have did 72 factors I found here. So I got 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. Okay. So I've written it as 2 to the power 3. See, 2 to the power 3 is written here and 3 to the power 2 is written. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Satvik? And
Okay,
a is
sir.
given. No, a I taken inside. Why? Why I have taken inside? Because 2 to the power a value, you know, the value of 2 to the power a is what? X. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That's why I've taken 3 outside, 2 to the power a inside.
Okay, sir.
Sai Ritvik, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Solve for x. You can try all of you this question. You can try. Solve for x, 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 x. So log m plus log n, you know the formula? Log mn is equals to, we're writing log m plus log n. Did you remember this or not? So can we write here log x minus 1 into log x plus 1? Can we write like this? Is equals to log 2, 1. Can we write or not? If base are same, So your log part is become same only. X square minus 1 is equals to 1. So x square is equals to what you get? 2
x equals to plus or minus root 2.
plus or minus root 2. But in this root, we are not considering negative is not possible. So x is equals to what? Root 2 is the answer. So answer is x equal to root 2. Is it clear to everyone now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question I'll ask. Find this. Call this question log x square minus 21 is equals to 2. Then show that x is equals to plus minus 11.
Yes, sir, got it.
What is the answer for this?
Plus 11. Sir, 2 equals to log 100.
See, if I told you before also, if log base is not given, we have to consider what? 10, right? If base is not given, you have to consider 10. So 10 to the power 2 is equals to x square minus 21. So 100 is equals to x to the power 2 minus 21. The x square is equal to what we can write? The x is equal to 11 plus or minus 11, right? That's proved. Okay, children, almost this first exercise got finished of this logarithm. It we can start in the next class, or some doubt if you are having, just share me so that I can solve in the next class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you.